my bangs have pissed me off for the last time, so let's cut them. I've never cut my own bangs before, but my mom's a hairdresser, so I think it's in the genes. I haven't even seen a video that I want to go off of. This is as straight as it's gonna get. And I'm gonna be using eyebrow scissors because I don't have any other scissors. I mean, I have kitchen scissors, but I feel like these would be sharper. So, I mean, they cut my eyebrow hairs, so I don't know why they can't do a good job at cutting my real hair. Okay. Kind of nervous. Okay. Got it in my eye. Not bad. They seem a little short. I mean, they seem fine when they're wet, but I know they're gonna shrink up, and I did not mean to go that short. Oh well. I'm committed. Okay, yeah, I definitely don't think they look that bad, but let me blow dry just so I can really see. I actually don't think I did that bad. So I think this was a success. So anyway, bye.